Good evening, ma'am. I'm Nathamayil, and our project is about creating an NFS file server. A network file system is a client or a server application that helps a computer view and optionally store and update files on a remote computer as though they were on a user's computer. It was developed by Sun Microsystems, and it was basically developed for sharing files and folders between two Linux and Unix systems. So it allows the user or the system administrator to mount all or a portion of their file system on a server. So the portion of the file system that is mounted can be accessed by the clients with whom these have been shared. So it uses the remote procedure call to route requests between the clients and servers. So as we had sent in the PPT for review too, we tried an NFS file server and client configuration in our virtual machine, but we did face a lot of errors because our virtual machines had the same IP address from any DHCP service. So since we use the same machine, it will have the same Ethernet MAC address. So that is the reason why our NFS did not function.
And I'm Jessenth here taking off on Nathamayil. And so basically to overcome this, we decided to create an internal network that was done by emulating the DHCP server so that we can get different IP addresses on both of our machines. And for this, we also shifted from Ubuntu to CentOS, and we have successfully emulated the DHCP server, and this gave us freedom to properly work on our NFS. So I'm going to be starting up both the server and the client machines right now. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm gonna just log in into the CentOS 1 is basically the server and CentOS 2 is the client. So I'm gonna be logging into the root, and just do the same over here as well. So the best way to check out our NFS system is basically like creating something and showing it on the other machine bidirectionally. So that is what I'm going to be doing for this tech demo. So I'm gonna first I'm gonna open a remote procedure call to start the NFS server on the server machine. So I'm gonna type in start RPC NFS server, and then I'm going to enable. So what this basically does is it makes sure that the NFS server is like up and running so that we can mount it right here. So we've already created a directory called NFS on the server, and when we are mounting this on the client, this should show up. So here I'm going to just change my directory to the NFS file, the directory, and here I'm going to check if our thing is mounted. So basically I'm going to go to the client machine and type mount, and before that I was about to show you the IP address of each of the machines to show that we were successfully able to change it. So let me show it right here. Command for that is yes, ADDR show. So as you can see here that the machine's IP address is 10012, and when you go to the client machine, you can see that the machine's IP is 10013. So our main objective is accomplished. So I'll go back to the here and clear this out, and yep. So now I'm going to be mounting the server to the client machine. I've already configured the firewall commands so that this connection will be allowed. So mount 10.0.1.2 NFS, and it says that NFS is busy or already mounted because I've already tested it out and it's already been mounted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the directory to NFS here, and now I'm going to do a demo. So we have the server here. I'm going to basically show you every file that's inside here. You can see that there are three text files. I'm going to create a new text file with my name on it on the client machine. So I'm gonna write touch Jessenth.txt. The command has successfully run. Now I'm gonna type ls again here, and you can see that the file has been created here. This proves that our NFS is working perfectly. And just as a second demo, I'm gonna like open the Vim editor so that I can type something here and you can see the result there. So this is a file project, and I'm gonna just get that real quick by using the R the WQ command, and I'm gonna open this vi txt, and boom, so it works. So that with that we can conclude this demo, I think. So that's it.
So yes, ma'am, we have achieved our objective of creating an NFS file system, as we can see in the demo. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.